robotics and automation world is poised for exponential growth over the next decade. The industry has seen many advances in vision systems, sensor systems, in software and connectivity, and in AI and machine learning. But where we've not seen the same bold innovation and progress is in the mechanical systems that actually cause the robot to move. And that's where we've been focused at Genesis. This product creates a new freedom to innovate and design robots without the limitation of today's legacy hardware. Imagine being able to create an oil-free, maintenance-free robot. Imagine the ability to increase robot density and controllability with the same actuator. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore. LiveDrive actuators provide high enough torque that robots can now be created without the need for a gearbox. This is how the LiveDrive eliminates the need for lubrication. No gearbox, no oil, no contamination of the product. The LiveDrive is designed to work across multiple applications. Today, we want to show you something that's only made possible because of the LiveDrive direct drive actuator. The Delta robot has become the standard in high-speed pick-and-place applications for food production, packaging, small parts assembly. The industry has known for a very long time that there is a need for a direct drive solution, and now that's made possible by the Genesis LiveDrive. This marks the next chapter of higher productivity, higher value Delta robots with clean, simple, and maintenance-free drivetrains.
Genesis. Inventing the future.